Okay, good morning students, first PUC students. Yesterday discussed the compound angles, trigonometric functions of sum and difference of angles, cos of x plus y, sin of x plus y, tan of x plus y, this type of compound angles. So once again I will recall all formulas. Listen carefully. The first formula is, what is the first formula? First one, cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay, look at this formula. Cos x plus y means the answer is opposite signs. Plus means minus, opposite signs, and the first two functions are same functions, cos functions. First two same functions, cos functions. Next sine, both are same. Two sine, two coses, two sines. In between opposite sign means plus. We have to give in plus, minus. This one. Next, second one, cos of x minus y. Cos of x minus y is equal to same. There is no difference. What is the difference in cos of x plus y and cos of x minus y? What is the difference? This is sign difference. Here minus, here plus. Next, third one, sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equal to same signs, not opposite signs, same signs. This alternative, first sin, next cos, plus next cos, next sin. This alternative, the same sign, alternative functions, one by one. Next, sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. No difference, only sign difference. Plus, plus, minus, minus. Same one. Next, fifth one, tan x plus y. Tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. 1 minus tan x into tan y. Next one, tan x minus y. Tan x minus y is equal to tan x, here plus, tan x plus y, sum of the two angles, means numerator plus, denominator minus. The same way, numerator minus and denominator plus. Tan x, tan y. So cot x plus y is equal to cot y into cot x minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Next, eighth one, cot x minus y. Cot x minus y is equal to cot y into cot x plus 1 by cot y minus cot x. Okay. Next, tan x plus y, x minus y. These are 8 problems. Next, ninth one, sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x and 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Next, 10th one, cos 2x is equal to, these are 4 formulas, cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. 11th one, tan 2x. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Again cot 2x. Cot 2x is equal to what? Cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. Cot 2x is equal to 1 by tan 2x. This is the reverse. Next one, sin 2x, sin a plus b, cos a plus b, tan 2x. This is the extended class. Next, sin 90 minus x. Actually sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x by the all silver teacups trigonometry fundamentals according to the fundamentals. So here also the another procedure, another method. Sin pi by 2 minus x means sin x minus pi formula. Sin pi by 2 minus x means sin x minus pi formula. What is the sin x minus pi formula? Sin x minus pi, sin x cos y. Okay, sin x cos y. Next, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. You apply the sin of x minus y formula. Sin 90 is x is y. Sin 90 1 into cos x minus cos 90 0 into sin x. So 1 into cos x is equal to cos x minus 0 into sin x is equal to 0 into anything equal to 0. So sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to what? Cos x. At the same way, cos pi by 2 minus x. Apply the cos x minus pi formula. Sin pi by 2 plus x. Sin pi by 2 plus x, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive or negative. In second quadrant, all silver. S for sin positive. So apply the sin x plus pi formula. Cos 90 plus x. Cos 90 plus x also apply the cos x plus y formula. This is another procedure. Okay, this one. Next, sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x ಇದೆ. And next one, sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x. Okay, see 1 minute. All formulas. We'll write one page, one side, all formulas. Next, next one, sin 3x. Sin 3x. Sin 3x is equal to sin x plus 2x. Sin 3x is equal to sin x plus 2x. Sin x plus y formula. Sin x plus y formula. Sin a cos b. Sin a x plus y. Sin x cos y. What is the sin a? Sin a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. sin x as it is. Cos 2x formula. Cos 2x, how many formulas are cos 2x formulas? 4 formulas. In 4 formulas, only sin formula. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x formula 1 minus 2 sin square x plus cos x into sin 2x formula. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2, all are formulas, each and every line formula. So multiply sin x into 1 sin x minus 2 sin square x into sin x, 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x into cos x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x into cos x, cos square x, cos x into cos x, cos square x. So sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x into cos square x formula in terms of sines, sin square x. Next, sin x minus 2 sin cube x multiply 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus into plus minus 2 sin x into sin square x, 2 sin cube x. So sin x plus 2 sin x, 3 sin x minus minus 2 sin cube x, minus 2 sin cube x, minus 4 sin cube x. This is the sin 3x formula. This is the sin 3x formula. Next, second one, cos 3x. Cos 3x is equal to cos 3x is equal to cos x plus 2x. What is the cos a plus b formula? Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b cos x into cos 2x formula in terms of cos 2 cos square x minus 1 minus sin a sin x into sin 2x formula 2 sin x into cos x multiply 2 cos cube x minus cos x, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin square x into cos x, 2 sin square x into cos x. Next one, that is equal to 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 into sin square x can be changed into in terms of cos, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x into cos x. So that is equal to 2 cos cube x minus cos x multiply minus 2 into 1 minus 2 cos x minus into minus plus 2 cos cube x, that is equal to 2 cos cube x to 2 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x minus 3 cos x. So finally cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the formula, cos 3x formula. Sin 3x Next one, tan 3x formula. Third one, tan 3x. Tan 3x is equal to sin 3x by cos 3x. Sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x by tan 3x. Same, this is not a procedure. Tan 3x is equal to tan x plus 2x. Tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. This one, tan a plus b formula. So tan x as it is plus tan 2x formula, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Apply the tan 2x formula by 1 minus tan x into tan 2x formula, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, that is equal to LCM, numerator LCM 1 minus tan square x. So apply the LCM, tan x into 1 minus tan square x plus 2 tan x by, so 1 minus tan square x, denominator also LCM 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x into 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. So multiply tan x into 1 tan x, tan x into tan square x tan cube x plus 2 tan x by, cancel this one cancel, by 1 minus 1 as it is 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 tan square x, that is equal to tan x plus 2 tan x 3 tan x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Finally, what is the tan 3x formula? Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. This is the tan 3x formula. Next, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to, what is the cos x plus y formula? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the cos of x plus y formula. And next one, cos x minus y plus cos x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. But same, minus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y cancel. So cos x cos y plus y both are same. So x plus x is equal to what? 2x. So 2 cos x into cos y. At the same way, cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. We have to try. You can try. What is the answer? Minus 2 sin x into sin y. You can try. Next, third one. Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to, what is the sin x plus y formula? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus sin x minus y formula. Sin x plus sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. What we have to cancel? Cos x sin y minus cos x sin y cancel. Sin x cos y, sin x cos y. Both are same. 2 sin x cos y. At the same way, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, first sin, next cos. Sin x plus y minus sin x y, first cos, next sin. This one. Look at this. Next, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Here sin x plus y into sin x minus y. Sin x plus y into sin x minus y. What is the sin x plus y formula? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y into sin x minus y formula. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So what is the a plus b into a minus b formula? A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Here a sin x cos y plus b cos x sin y, same as it is sin x cos y cos x sin y. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square. A square means sin square x into cos square y minus cos square x into sin square y. This formula has two answers. So first, sin square x, the cos square y convert into in terms of sines. Cos square y is equal to 1 minus sin square y minus cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x into sin square y. So multiply sin square x into 1 sin square x minus sin square x into sin square y minus 1 into sin square y minus sin square y minus into minus plus sin square x into sin square y. So these are cancelled. So sin square x minus sin square y. This is the one of the formula. And another formula, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, sin square y is equal to 1 minus cos square y, 1 minus cos square x minus 1 plus cos square y, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So cos square y minus cos square x. Cos square y minus cos square x. What will get? Formula sin x plus y into sin x minus y is equal to, what is the formula? Sin square x minus sin square y cos square y minus cos square x. These one two formulas, cos square x minus sin square x. These all are former derivations. Former derivations is not important, but formula is important. So formula we have to perfect. Okay, this one. Next one, cos x plus y into cos x minus y. Next one, cos x plus y into cos x minus y. This is the formula. Cos x plus y formula, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y into cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is also same formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Cos square x into cos square y minus sin square x into sin square y. So cos square x into cos square y minus sin square x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x into 1 minus sin square y. So cos x plus y into cos x minus y. Okay. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square y. So cos square x into cos square y minus 1 into 1 1 bracket. Next minus 1 into minus cos square y minus cos square x into x minus cos square x minus into minus plus cos square x into cos square y. So that is equal to cos square x into cos square y minus 1 plus cos square y plus cos square x minus cos square x into cos square y. These are cancelled. So cos square x plus this is cos square y minus 1. So cos square x plus, this is minus common, 1 minus cos square y. Formula 1 minus cos square y is equal to sin square y. Cos square y minus 1 is equal to not sin square y. So cos square x minus 1 minus cos square y is equal to sin square y. Cos square x minus sin square y. And cos square is converted in terms of sines, or sin square is converted into in terms of cos. This is another formula. Okay, next final formula, sin x plus sin y, last one. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Next, cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Okay, these are all formulas. All formulas are completed today. Okay, tomorrow once again I will repeat formulas, all formulas, and go to next exercise. Okay, now perfectness is main important.